Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So in this episode I will show you how the Aimogen plugin was updated and now it is able to be integrated with SEO plugins like Rank Math, like all-in-one SEO, like Yoast to generate the focus keywords for these plugins. So all these plugins have focus keywords or similar keyword structures for posts, which will help rank and also be analyzed, the post to be analyzed for SEO purposes. So let me show you how you can use this with Rank Math, for example, to automatically generate the focus keyword for posts. So Aimogen is linked in this video description. Go ahead guys and check it. And now I have here this test post on my site. Let me refresh it. So you guys will see that it does not have currently a focus keyword set. So scroll down until you see the Aimogen AI content writer, and we will be able to see in the latest update of it generate a SEO focus keyword. Click check the checkbox, and if you want to have more tuning and control over this feature, click toggle advanced options, and here you will see post SEO focus keyword prompt, and you can tweak the prompt here if you need it. Okay, but this is optional. All you have to do now is, after you check this checkbox, click generate using AI, and in the post AI generated SEO focus keyword settings field you will see Trump tariffs China, and this is coming from the title. To apply it also to Rank Math, click save AI content. So after you've done this, the post will be refreshed, and if we visit Rank Math we will see Trump tariffs China. This is set as the focus keyword for Rank Math. And similarly will work for Yoast and also for all-in-one SEO. So it is simple to be used as I showed you. Simply go in and use it for your post to set the focus keyword for Rank Math. Okay, so there were also other updates made. Now you will be able to set a meta title for SEO plugins, and also you will set a meta description, and you will be able to use a better connection between Aimogen and these SEO plugins in these new updates for Aimogen. So this was a quick update about how you will be able to set the focus keyword for Rank Math. If you have more ideas, suggestions, let me know in the comments of this video. Every idea is welcome. Thank you for watching. Until then, like, share, subscribe, it's really appreciated. And this is all for today. Bye bye.